Take a ride like never before in your own Predator-styled sea monster, the Sea Breacher, or ride a flying water bike. Get ready to check out 8 insane water toys everyone must try. Check out the Subwing, a new water sport craze from Norwegian inventor Simon Syvertsen. The Subwing, fast becoming a worldwide sensation, is a handheld fin that is towed behind a speedboat. If you've ever dreamed of swimming like a sea creature, the Subwing will let you do it. Comprised of 2 independently pivoting hydrodynamic wings joined in the center with a steel and rubber swivel, the Subwing can be ridden above or below the water. Riders hang on to rubber grips at the front of the wings or a rubber grab loop in the rear. By adjusting the angle of the wings, riders can go up, down, left, or right with ease. By twisting the wings, adventurous riders can perform complex spins and maneuvers. The Subwing owes its existence to a pure stroke of instant genius. While on a sea trip, an 18-year-old Syvertsen got the idea by tying a tow rope to a floating piece of wood. After extensive design and prototype testing, Subwing was born. Riding the Subwing is an experience as unique as its design. Whatever your fancy, whether performing daredevil moves or swimming with the dolphins and rays, a ride on a Subwing is something you won't forget. Attention adrenaline junkies, it's time for a go-kart ride on the water. Meet the WOKart, an awesome new watercraft that really handles like a go-kart. Like several new radical water toys currently making a splash around the world, the WOKart's structure deviates from traditional naval architecture. As the first patented designer watercraft in the world with a mid-mounted outboard engine, the WOKart is fast, responsive, agile, and a whole lot of fun. It's also constructed to be completely stable. According to the creators, in 4 years of development and testing, no one has flipped a WOKart over, even when making 90-degree turns at high speeds. With custom seating and automotive controls, driving the WOKart feels very similar to driving a car. Though the design calls for only a 70-horsepower motor, the WOKart's feather-light construction makes it incredibly fast at 40 knots, which translates to about 47 miles per hour at land speed. The centrally located engine position acts like a shock absorber, so drivers need not worry about spine crunches in choppy waters. In its current version, the WOKart seats the driver only, but a 2-seat version is in the works. Want to know more? Check out the link below. As any surfer knows, some waves are too intense to take on without a tow from a jet ski. Those days are over. Feast your eyes on this. It's JetSurf, the powered surfboard, a new technology that has surfers everywhere talking. Created and designed by Martin Sula, a Formula One engineer from the Czech Republic, the JetSurf is a jet-propelled cross between a surfboard and a jet ski. If you love adrenaline-pumping motorsports that you can take to the water, this board's for you. Capable of speeds up to 40 miles per hour depending upon your choice of models, the JetSurf has a range of up to 45 miles on a full tank of fuel. Now that's a lot of surfing. Made with strong, lightweight materials such as Kevlar and ultralight carbon, it's a far more travel-friendly companion than a jet ski. With a JetSurf, you don't even need a wave to feel that rush of excitement. Just ride into a turn and you'll be feeling those G-forces. Speed adjustments are as easy as squeezing or releasing the hand grip throttle, located at the end of an electronic leash attached to the wrist. If you show up at the beach with a JetSurf, you're sure to get some serious attention. Since we've seen a water go-kart, why not a bicycle? This is the Jetovator flying bike from Jetovation Inc. It's been said that no one ever forgets how to ride a bike. And while this wild watercraft is a different animal, learning to ride it is definitely worth the effort. An experienced Jetovator operator can teach you the basics in about an hour. It takes 2 people to operate the Jetovator, one on the bike and one on a jet ski. A 40-foot hose redirects water output from the jet ski to the Jetovator. Using 2 hand controls, the rider regulates the water flow and direction of flight, while the person in the jet ski sets the forward speed. The Jetovator lets you fly up to 25 feet in the air at up to 25 miles per hour, but more advanced riders can often be seen performing mid-air backflips, barrel rolls, or corkscrews. If you love to get wet, the Jetovator can dive down to 10 feet underwater for short periods, then come up bursting into the air for more adrenaline action. If you'd rather not fly solo, Jetovation also makes a two-seat version called the Tandem Bike for double the excitement. For those with a personal watercraft, the Jetovator will add hours of fantastic enjoyment. Everyone dreams of flying through the air. With the JetLev Flyer from MS Watersports, you can. The JetLev Flyer may be the safest and most affordable way to fly your own jetpack. While the JetLev Flyer is water-propelled and can't be flown over land, a fabulous day on the water is absolutely guaranteed. The weight of the jetpack is kept to a minimum by placing the engine and related systems within an autonomous boat. The boat is tethered to the jetpack and follows the pilot around. The boat unit delivers pressurized water through a hose, generating thrust by forcing the water through nozzles on either side of the jetpack. The resulting thrust can propel a 150-pound person up to 22 miles per hour with 1 hour of flight at full throttle and 2 hours at cruising speed. Controlled using computerized fly-by-wire technology, you can learn to control the JetLev Flyer with a few minutes of instruction. Once you've mastered it, the most mind-blowing stunts become possible. The JetLev Flyer is available to experience at many marine resorts around the world. So get out there and start flying. When Frank Zapata unveiled the Zapata Flyboard in 2011, the entire world took notice, and it's now viewed as the standard bearer of extreme watercraft. This ingenious water-gushing machine lets you powerfully fly up into the air and do daredevil stunts that boggle the mind. Bolted to a jet ski motor, the Flyboard routes the force of a jet ski's water through a long hose that connects to a pair of jet boots strapped to a platform. Nozzles mounted below the platform fire huge amounts of high-pressure water, creating incredible lift. Now a worldwide phenomenon, the Flyboard makes appearances at elaborate shows, demonstrating its radically intense maneuvers under night skies lit with LEDs and brain-dazzling pyrotechnics. Featured once before on Freeze HD, Zapata never fails to impress. The question is, what's coming from them next? Whatever it is, chances are it'll be something mind-bending. If you're looking for a new way to explore beneath the ocean waves, we've got you covered. This is the Seabob, a cross between a jet ski and a bodyboard. Seabob is the world's fastest water and diving scooter. Jump through the waves or power your way toward the ocean floor with the grace of the natural inhabitants. Just grab the handles, engage the throttle, and off you go. Seabob's formidable E-Jet power system will really get you moving. When you dive, the Seabob won't let you go beyond your limits. Though Seabob can dive up to 40 meters, a factory setting, unless changed, prohibits further descent below 2.5 meters. On the inside, the Seabob contains some serious technology. The cockpit's controls provide the pilot with information on current performance and selected power level. Seabob comes in several models, but the Seabob F5S is the ultimate performer. Its enormous thrust makes it second to none among all Seabob versions. The next time you feel like going for a drive, grab a Seabob and aim for the seabed. Have you ever dreamed of having your own submarine? How about an underwater sports car or a bionic shark? Now you can have all three. But to do it, you'll need to get your hands on a Sea Breacher. A dramatic breakthrough in recreational boating, the Sea Breacher is a powerful, safe, and stable watercraft built to endure. Surpassing the capabilities of a conventional watercraft, this insane creation powers through, below, and above the water. With controls capable of pitch, yaw, and roll, the Sea Breacher handles like a high-performance aircraft. Custom made for each customer, the various Sea Breacher models can be made to resemble actual marine creatures. The most advanced model, the Sea Breacher X, or Shark, comes with a 260 horsepower supercharged engine that's sure to get your adrenaline pumping. The Sea Breacher Y is the killer whale version. Similar in size to a real orca, it even comes with a real blowhole. The Z model, or Dolphin, is equipped with a retractable snorkel, and there's also a Z model killer whale. With custom additions like race car seats, GPS, and even a sound system, you can blaze through the waves in style. The ability to perform off-the-charts maneuvers and stunts and their ridiculously cool appearance make any Sea Breacher the ride of a lifetime and the talk of any marina. We hope you enjoyed checking out these insane water toys. So which one would you like to try? Tell us in the comments section below. Don't forget to show us some love with a like button. Thanks for watching.